Hello, this video is about how to do Pineapple PD for classroom visits. We'll do it Wednesday, January 16th, which is a digital day 4. Pineapple PD is just a chance to show other teachers how you are using technology in your classroom.
So this form is what we're going to fill out to show if you're willing to host people in your classroom to watch you do something with technology. And then after people have signed up, you'll have an opportunity to sign up if you would like to go view one of the activities in another classroom, and there will be a sub to cover for you during that time. So on this form, what you'll do is you'll pick a time that works for you to have people come into your classroom. So for example, Pam had put in to do Quizlet Live at 9:15 or 9:20 actually, and I think that sounds like a great idea. So I'm just going to go ahead and sign up in that time slot to do Quizlet Live with my class, and then I am actually going to sign up for another time slot because I have I have two groups that I'm doing this with. So whatever times work for you to have people come into your classroom and watch something that you're doing with technology. It doesn't have to be anything super earth-shattering or anything like that. It can be just something that you're doing that other people might be interested in seeing or may want to try for themselves. After people have signed up to host different activities, then you can look back at this form later and sign up for whatever time you'd like. So if, for instance, Stephanie wanted to come in at 9:20 and watch me do the Quizlet, she would just put her name here, and then she would be signed up to have a sub during that time. So if you have any questions about how to fill out this form or what we're doing, you can ask one of us anytime, and we will help you get it figured out. But it should be pretty easy to get some activities on there. We're excited to see what you do.